how to use this application here to save anyone WhatsApp status or video that you have posted. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and once you have opened the application, you'll be greeted with the ads. However, once you have opened the application and have access to storage, it will pretty much load up all the WhatsApp status and everything. So you can easily just tap on the download icon that you see here, and you're pretty much good to go. Same thing for the image section here. You can go over there if you see the same thing. Also, you can go in the save section and see all the status that you have saved. So if you want the status to be automatically saved without you have to be going to that section here or saving anything, you can go in the settings option here and enable that auto save feature. Also, I do recommend you enabling the mark new status feature as well, so you can know, let's say somebody posts a new status and you want that specific one and not just auto save or auto save all of these statuses. You can just select one specific status that you want and you're good to go. Also, I do recommend you getting the remove ads feature. But tap on it, as you can see here, the subscription. No ads, also auto save to gallery and no ads. Do recommend you getting it because there's a lot of ads. Every time you're going to open something on this application, you're going to see an ad. So I do recommend you getting it. And you do get a 3 days free trial, so you can test it out how it feels without no ads. But I do recommend you getting the ads. Overall, it's a very good application, not gonna lie. And yeah, if I missed anything at all, please comment below. Gladly would love to help you out. And at the top, you just have the WhatsApp logo. We'll just redirect it to WhatsApp. Same thing for this here. We'll just message someone for you. Nothing much. But yeah, that's it. And over the save section, this is pretty much where you go, where you see all the image or videos that you have saved. So yeah, that's it. If I missed anything, comment below. Let's see you in the next one.